Nestled away in Llanfrechfa, Cwmbran, sits a cosy animal sanctuary called All Creatures Great and Small. And in that sanctuary resides cats and dogs, rabbits and guinea pigs, horses and sheep. But the most mischievous of all is Lord Cranberry, the troublesome turkey. Lord Cranberry walks the yard, ruling the place, keeping everything in order. He helps visitors park their cars. He admires his reflection in the cattery window. And he enjoys a scratch on the belly from the humans. So this Christmas season, go and visit All Creatures Great and Small, and you might get to see Lord Cranberry.